got. I remember that loving is what I got. I said remember that loving is what I got. Why I don't cry when my dog runs away? I don't get angry at the bills I have to pay. I don't get angry when my mom smokes pot, hits the bottle and goes right to the rock. Fucking and fighting, it's all the same. Living with Louis Dog's the only way to stay sane. Let the loving come back to me.
Hallo?